Hi everybody, we are restarting our Tuesday series, UnBlah Your Life, where it's a series of small projects that you can tackle to unblah your entire life. And you might notice a change of scenery. That's because I pretty much lost my mind and got myself a house in the country. I'm actually not too far from Los Angeles, about an hour's drive. So I will be in the city, in and out, but I'm mostly going to be in the country. And the country comes with a lot of things that I haven't had to deal with. Spider webs, weed whacking, 4 feral cats that I have to trap and spay. And it also comes with things that I haven't had in a long time. Peace and quiet, beautiful views, clean, fresh air. So I'm super excited to share all of the upgrades I'm going to do in this house and all of the small projects that I'm going to tackle. And what I was really wondering was, once I got in this house, what was going to be the first thing that I wanted to do, the first thing I wanted to have for my new life? And I decided that it was going to be a small robot garbage can. I've always wanted one of these for my bathroom where you just hover your hand over it and it opens. I thought that would be nice. I thought that would make me feel like someone's watching out for me. And if that seems silly, I don't know what's in your life that is small and seems trivial to someone else, but it makes you feel at peace or cared for. And that's the main reason I did this. I wanted more space. I wanted more peace. I wanted to get back to nature. I didn't realize I was going to start becoming a weed whacking pro. I now know why you don't weed whack in linen pants. But that's who I am now. And you know what? It's not bad. It's not bad to get out there in the grass and chop it up instead of doom scrolling. It's not bad to get out there and get my feet on the ground. It's a wonderful thing, and it's the whole reason I took on this project. You might hear a bird peeping right out of my window here instead of my bird clock. Isn't that nice? And being way out in the country up a long canyon road, it gets pretty dark here at night. It was a little spooky for me at first to have so much space and dark corners. And I thought a nice project to do was to pick up some foster kittens. So these are our new friends, and they're a little bit scared. They're tiny little babies. They're just teeny tiny little girls. So far they don't have names, but I'm going to take care of them. And I think that they're going to end up taking care of me. They're definitely going to give me something to do, not like I don't have enough to do. Look at this face. Oh my goodness. So sitting in my small apartment that I've had for 25 years, I was running out of space. You usually see this, but what you don't see is this. That many clothes come out during the course of a video. Tons of shoes. And I have to put it all away when I'm done. You know, I use a lot of clothes on this channel. And I was just thinking to myself, I just want some space for these clothes, and I want to grow a tomato. Like, give me a tomato. I want to grow a tomato, and here I get to grow a tomato. I could grow a lot of tomatoes, but I've started small. And I think that's what's important here, is that there's a whole overwhelming project here, just like you might have a whole overwhelming life. But there's small things that you can do to increase your happiness every day. And for me, it's growing a tomato. It's snuggling a kitten. Sometimes there's projects that aren't fun to do, like sucking up spider webs, but will increase your happiness exponentially when the spiders are gone. One of my neighbors has a duck. I can hear it. And there's one of my cats out in the wild. So I hope you'll join me on this journey to unblah my life, and you can also tell me about how you are taking small steps to unblah your life as well. Join me next week for the first project in this new house. I'll see you soon. This plant's taller than me.